Hey, this is Frank, and today I want to give you a sneaky little thing that I do. I'm always traveling. I don't know how many flights I do a year, and I carry a lot of equipment. My hand luggage almost always weighs more than my normal luggage. I have so much equipment that goes with me. I normally have 2 computers, I have 3 telephones, I have an iPad, I have all of the connections. So my case is always overweight. But now I know normally it's between 7 and 10 is your allowance, but when I add in my computers, it always goes up to about 10 to 15. So a little sneaky trick that I do now is I've got a big plastic folder, and I print out all of my forms, hotels I'm going to be staying in, all of that kind of stuff, and I put them in the front of this plastic folder. At the back of those, I put in my 2 laptops, I put in my iPad, so this folder is just about as heavy as my suitcase. That's where the bulk of the weight is. So when I go up to the check-in counter, if I know they're going to be a little bit miserable or they're going to be weighing it, I'll go holding this folder as if I'm going to take my passport out and my pictures. My passport is in the top there. I put it down on the counter. They never glance at it. I'll pull out my passport, but underneath all of those papers are all of the computers and the other heavy stuff. They'll normally then say to me, let me weigh your hand luggage. Sure, put it on there. Oh, you're just a little bit over, that's fine. Take it out. As soon as I walk away, unpack all of the stuff, put it in there. It's a little sneaky trick, but it's one of the things that I've learnt how to do because I do carry so much equipment.